Takot. Galit.
Malakas daw. Yes!
Ew, gross.
Bukas gawin ng 5 kilo ang toge.
Pag 0935, ano yun? 0933, ano yun?
San?
San? Saan pa to? Sigurado ka,
33?
Oo.
San po yun?
Talaga?
0922, 0923.
So ano siya, kung saan siya, libre siya sa text, ganun ba yun? Kasi saan ako?
Kunin na ang benta. Kano ang benta ngayon?
Yun lang sinabi niya, ayos po ma, malakas din po. Talagang hapon siya sumisipa eh. Medyo ganyan yung trend sa ano, sa plaza. Hapon talaga siya. So, umaga parang malaga.
Kanina kala ko nung umaga, uy, may bibili na agad. Yung pala yun yung pare.
So pag tinext ko siya, ano din siya? Libre lang.
Mama. I have one boy. Kung ali din siya. I have one.
Ano bang phone nung dalawa niya? Parang Globe?
Saan yung ano eh?
Si Melody? O di tawagan mo yung son para ano?
Tawagan ko na.
Hindi rin nagbigay ng ano, pamaypay.
Sige yata sila nakabigay na.
Balis na. Tingnan mo. Bakit sinunod ko yan?
Yung si Aiza, advantage nun, kahera yun, manang matagal. So, masanay magsukli-sukli yun. Abang nag-aalit ka nagluluto.
Sunday morning, life is a body, just oozing light. Someone sneaking around, and we could that someone be McConaughey. Oh, there's tugboat
So, sa Monday, sila ano, pwede sa atin? Punta sila sa atin? Sila Manny?
Oo.
Mommy, wait, Daddy, wait.
Yung ano, doon yun nalang palagay. Yung washing machine dun sa may kanto.
Wait, Daddy, I will tell something to you.
Tapos titibagin yung ano,
Wait! Wait!
flooring.
Daddy, I said wait! Don't talk. You see,
Excuse me.
Eh, aray! Bakit ka nananakit?
Di ba na yung mga
Hindi niya kita susunduin sa Monday. Talk to your mom.
Yes, we swung. Oh, we tried to. Yes, we sung. You may not recognize it, for it's a yellow and blue hit. Oh, this tune called Night. And so we leave you from this Vancouver town where we took old Maggie and we swung down for the Darren Bends and for the Yellow and Louis Bends. We told you look out, look out, look out for Maggie.
It's very big. Very sweet.
But where's the fridge?
Can you see the bubbles? It's because the fish is breathing. It's just that the water is very dirty.
But how they can jump?
They don't jump, they just swim fishes.
I cannot see it. I cannot see it. But there's a fish. But they're hiding for us.
It's very so hard.
Mommy, look at that. Mommy, this is a water to eat it. Are you going to eat this? Are you going to eat that? Because it's
Dirty.
okay.
What color is this?
Yellow.
This one.
Yes.
Green ba yan? Sko, may exam ka na. Palaging nagkakamali. Ito. Yun yung green, no? Yun, no? Yun. Yun. Green.